Yeah, I don't for chacha mo. Oh baby, mo share me be greetings. Okay. Yeni nkomo kakra. I'm say yeni baby video na ko viral trendy ko baby obi share video ni bi. Say yeni baby specifically na or kasa about or New York na or ka abruchi asem se bi nsem aya na bi mu ka abruchi na o kire na adwen se enema ni bi wo ho a se de ye nyina no ye hunu no anaase ye value no ehunu enye saa na se bi enema ne yeden etie e wa abruchi na enu aba be video ma hu se nkofo bibiri aye video ase the insulting her and people attacking her here and there, but sometimes enema bi wo ho a mente ase na Ghana no mente nkrofo bi ase say the fact say sebi obi ti abruchi na obi ka asem and the fact is that Ghana your problems your issues any niama ntino uti abruchi hanoma obi anim say ha basically they don't lack everything. I found ensure good health care any niama sad ntino obi ani right say sebi niama ekoso abruchi hana ebi wo ho a ono so be kire na adwen as Ghanaian no oni right so kire na adwen say eno na emsa abaso social media ye mu bi de me medical aka say media sebi miti abruchi enema bibiri koso ha ewo mu say one fine oti ha efa nyuma sem ene niema ana bibidie sebi ebi awo nkrata da huebi ubenya adwuma ye na onso de ahwe wo bran enkyere se bibia ye 100% ana ha no ye heaven makasa asem the couple of times sister yasema no wo kasa about New York no sebi wanka bone asema wo ka no o kire na adwen se binu sori a omo pese omo kire se sebi uti New York nko ade anase uti New York no obre de bre anase ehia di hia ebi ntoda ene wo kire na adwen se de e ka no na nya sa na tie asema wo ka no so e no kware pepepe ebi mu kasa ena wote wo na nya abraga na ne ade sebi ye nyina ye te ha enye obi a na sebi ye friend say oba Ghana sebi ebi an ho be kire na bi wo ho a bibi nti ene Ghana ye ne ye bi ene perception a ye wo fa brochiri fo ho nti no Ghana ni bia wunya tutu kwan a so plan years an wako Ghana sabi yen mo ete ye bebre no si enye opportunity bi say dwuma bi ne ye na ne ma ekoso a we go back to Ghana and live there. We go and live in Ghana all the time. There are so many people omatena ha omunya omunya ska Dondra. Oh, I'm just talking about sharing my thought about a woman who I think share his opinion about the living of some people in abroad. Okay, that is what I'm talking about. Okay, so just follow it. I think you will get it. Entinu mami asema awoka no sebi na sa fact ne interest sebi uti abruchira na interest sebi we do heaven senkasa na tina na senke ba abruchira e betena e de nsa be share them from because money is on the street to pick it. We will just go on the street and pick the money and go back to Ghana, but that is not the case. Mami na dwen na watchre no Ghana ni bia wo ho kwan so osre na dwen yeti abruchira enkrofo bebre be trans social media o mudwo mo no bu okro e homeless but oba be trans social media ha akwa ko jana num say na metihame me wo mansion me wo say many people do that. We know a whole lot of living a bimuti wa abruchira obi o te ado de beto aduane adi ana say even kura eka ene ne ma egu ni so opon aduma wo ye eka egu ni so credit ne credit kura say ni mortgage kura ntimi ntua ama bi wo kura ya man time say ye be move na free baby ote but oba be trans social media just before because say there are problems in Ghana. Ibia almost say some of the leaders are this and that inti oba be and no so no dey sabi ye nyina eti abruchiri. We know what goes on here. A hard work and the eti abruchiri. No lazy person obi o te o say and na wan nya dwuma kra e bitu aka wan nya dwuma unless you qualify and I said obi a wan nya dwuma e bitu aka no wa ye dwuma penti e hwe o status and I say dwuma wo ye no and ye be hwe so and ukra all countries in the Western world and a was money. There are some countries why nya eduma sebi waduma say I just all pay duma unemployment benefit in ukra won't qualify Holland ha and some countries be and a why nya eduma unemployment benefit in the year duma pa America no any other the grofo bebre wo ha on be so unemployment be so almost say unemployment benefit ni kwa hina unya because ebi wo a mortgage eze utua eka wode ene ne good afternoon jaga wode eze utua na ebibiri this is an asem a wo ka no I don't see anything wo kan ya waka bone oye Ghanaian sabi the fact is say Ghana you problem the fact is say Ghana ebia you health issues you know na nkyeresa brotira bibia etotin Holland ha meti Holland ha etua insurance premium me name yire your premium etua no almost about 260 euros. No, your free BB IQ risk, that is your own risk. A say Holland hano say ebia afinu no sika utiano aside your premium no utiano say utia oko hospital and say enro and say medical care de ma wo no more than the NS utia ye the SS bra ma utia. Let me tell you, ambulance ba be fa wo Holland ha. That's why I say utia insurance no. Yeah, the cabrel. That's why I say canon untuano. But every month you pay your premium 125 for Holland. Abiso bia insurance. It no what ha Ghana premium amutua will have insurance. I say. It would mean fa sabi this system me compare. Ya no be na say duma. Duma ye wa ha no. Sabi Holland ya system ne say untimi nye eduma dodo. Omo system ne ye say obey 8 hours. Ye more than 8 hours. Afeso ana tax for ni calculate. Ye to me cry the cabrel. So what I say, yetimi ebrewoka. Esa why ye juma bro. America ntesa, Britain ntesa, country be our one system. Britain ntesa, Britain no, system ni different. America, obi be juma ye 16 hours. If it's American, why 16 hours? Any 14 hours ni adia. Do na eti ho na omo ye juma on minimum wage and anya minimum wage kra na. Because system ne say de eti America na dambo compared to hano e different. A damn boy din wa America as in Holland. When you travel to America, down boy edin, a down Holland, there be a apartment a me high no, a be at the baby amity, a be a me high no, said, met you up, and I say, Utia mortgage be 1,000. Obu America, an apartment, the same apartment I'm team one, American, Obetia, a be a more than 3,000 or 4,000 to America. So I say, Obi, Obetia, Bebeti, system no nyepe, and I said, I broach a quite so. Ghana, we are so struggling. And Ghana, so you sumain any near a can be. Your attitude because Ghana for I tear brutriha. Subaya ya debahano, a hapra system yeduma bisa, debi amekasa semi. Say Ghana for baby numa. Kobisa say Ghana for numa ma baby we are safana. A mudu sign and still a year existent. Ube be a jumano, yemfa kwa paso. Your bad attitude ni your mentality na your pese ye nyesika Ghana ni bia nya opportunity or pese opportunity na wenyano or abuse no eno na eya de amomye nhwe ne yenka na sabi enyama bi wo hono ma ye mpese ye beka ni ye sori a na leaders obi ati abroche na o kan sema musi edi na tem mi nsro obi atem didie o ati ase watem didie on social media no mi nsro obi atem didie. Means so be at them did you say you come and insult me. I'm not afraid of you. So you Burma, Mete Hollander, then you come and just attack me personally. That is when I will tell you how I'm Juma. And on social media, there are so many people who are homeless. Trin Jonas obey video American America, or baby, our Queens, your friend, our stories, your shelter, and what. Now say obey video. No, I could now go high to sell Lamborghini in your mouth or the show them. Abroche obia betimi ayebi. I can just go to car rentals one day. Metima kwa high Bentley. Edi ababe trap video edi achiro say Bentley in the media. What I say metimi akọ obi o ha na kwasa mpabra oditi abrochi no no. Ompebra bi abo. Those people are the ones who make noise. Obi anka say leaders e wo Ghana no sebi. We don't have to hold them accountable. Sebi. Obi anka sa obetima hold but who didn't throw abrochi a each and every one, we have the right to talk. Sister Nasama Obeka about bronze. When you go to bronze, there are some people who are struggling and suffering. It will come where you say, one can say, Abroche, you better sing Ghana. I don't know why people are insulting her. Or come where you Uncle can say, Abroche, you better sing Ghana. Uncle can say, Sister Nasama or come bronze, Oko America, your area be Detroit. There are some areas in Atlanta and in Yama. Ewo baby if you see the living a bit team wa sebi be more thing and a better than them. Oh, there are people on the bridge, I say. Any niema. Oko even New York subway. Kokotina subway, Kokotina omo metro nim. Nesha there. You see some people who are so uber chrome hanoma. There are some people are even Holland they are a ban homeless. Europe they have say Holland number 1. Omo care about homeless people. Go to Belgium. Even Germany, almighty Germany. Go to Germany. You will see for yourself. You will see for yourself in Germany. Holland, the country, Europe, a small country. And they do well. Say homeless people, no. But yes, still, they have homeless people here. Oh, people, what you can acquire a moment can not do be at them. Because Ghana, your problem, Tiga. And yes, I brought you no bedroom, you are not Google Street, so now, you do hard work, me way. What's on Monday? I'm going to work. And I'm a second job by me. Yeah, no, dear, me and Kasami personal DJ. First, na me DJ no. Me quite Juma. Me sorry I'm matching. Then I go to work. Me 8 hours. Me pomba. From Wednesday to Sunday. Now that time me bo club ne nema. Me quite Juma. Na mako club. Me bu amebe fi am matching. Me be do am matching. Me da 2 hours. Na me ko na ma say. What I say? Na same time na me say no. Sane ma no. And a corona crowd in ubeji mu. To for the past 6 years na menye. Sane ma na DJ ni de be a weekend. And a Friday near Yinamaye. Oh, and you use and to be to baby, no be didn't throw a brochure. No, Camus Mumia, ya brochure for Subani and near Casa Casantina, Kogana. Na and Crofo attacking and rough off no, because I'm for say, Sikasha and White Diaba, and so no be on your sanity. You move a brainy and cannot quarry. We don't speak the truth. Obi, you know, can quarry at him, I'm also Montiasi. You don't speak. Wouldn't tax me at me. Tax at me. Me pay a salary a me. Would you salary now? Share tax column. Any bills a me tia. And you know, abrotia and crofobebri or a do. Ma bosome swan on person rent account. If the bills are yakoti tia free usikamuno. Sometimes we share Juma waya. Now share bills and nothing abrotia. Duduana we live on credit. Duduana yatia abrotia. You live on credit, no, because system no sa no mayeno. And nothing abrofu ye who sika kakaka bi or account mo no many abre so no. What I say? Do now we live here and we live on credit. And your credit card in the day, ubetumi age. But wo genen so no, e wo so hu say salary na na betia free. Wo go toka. Bosome so a, say wo hwe credit dey atetew. E bia wato dan yatew, wato car yatew, wato we na hwe salary awade a. What enti na broche obi o ha stress sa otimi kwa adwuma kra na stress na kum no. Wo be hu obroni. Abrofo bebre na committee suicide wa broche. Wo ma wo sika ne kum mo. Ya steady na he. Ube anu a free dance na pound bibi kitikiti no ode ne ho abehwe eno to obi nka se Ghana sebe Ghana ya better say abrochi but no kware ana say ka sister na say mo kan what wrong did the sister say e dey bone na o kan ya mudi na tem asam o kan abayo bi so ba video fit New York o didi atem obekọ hwe edan bi otim New York enso obeba abonte abedidi nkrofo atem enso bi otim New York okra sebe sika kra ode be groceries kra no na woche kra bia no ho kire no enso onya yi no abetena social media no ebiti abrochi I'm telling you some of the Ghanaians omo nka no kware bebiti ha ebia na aduma kra wo ye no aduma ne nso no enso on nka no kware nkire ni nua so acha say sa nipa we obeka sa ne nua bi kra tu kwan na oba abrochi na mo ode be bo obeka cho so mesre me fie de me ntime nyi wo ho meanwhile so atena social media kasa Abka treni nua ne se otiapem so esu ni nua bedu abrochire na so omoa no adwuma mu kra na ompe baabi ma ne nkotena ontime nyi wo ni fie esu the same person ebedi ntro aba betra social media kansem esu de ko ne ho ne se utu kwan na waba na omoa ho se obeboa wa mumia nka no kware enkyire obi ansi obi akwan se ma ne ntu kwan obi anka sa kwantu onye after all akwantu enya kra na betimi am experience am won how to live your life. So ati aso bia no akasa kwantu onye eti mo ya motete wo e na ho nya abragana no me se me time aso na me se meko Ghana why adan Ghana nya nipa nete wo sabe wo mo ati Ghana me ten wo mana those who are living in Ghana am I higher than them no anuti no se me ntu kwan na me te Ghana ka me te wo and kade ne me se me nya opportunity man ntu kwan na me te Ghana and come to after all obi ansu obi kwan it's a choice that people make to travel. And treasure utu kwanya na sebi all of a sudden no na ukrom Ghana yempo Ghana Ghana What I say, Ghana, Ghana, and a higher butcher. It's Mumian Che, Subani and Nia, the tea about Ghana. Nian Che Suba, Ghana near or Tia Butchery. Share my main site example, make Ghana some time ago. Airport war, no more Bibia, and Yanam say no. I will not give them the chance to do it. A butcher for ya, Namino Dila, Mukachem, some you to know. Naminya, and I mean delay on time. May pay the right thing to be done in Ghana, said the Yana Butcherino. Omo catch rom say, Semeko Tres Ghana. Mintua as a mintua bribe no man on menko. Na minja o time mi delay. The same abroche for we will come abroche na beka se Ghana system nye adwuma and etua bribe. Me pay the right thing to be done in Ghana no. Me am abroche for me no delay mu. They were insulting me. Say me you no na den. Ewo airport. Me pay the right thing say yenya the right thing na mo no. They were insulting me. Oh, and it's a suma, obeti abrotre, or the Yamaba Ghana, or qua, or person could to bribe, ewo, habo, Nanyamanu, meanwhile, so ha on yes, Adia Yanyawa Brutrin, Yadiko Ghana, yes, sorry, I system, Yan Nipano, and Yamshay attitude the answer. Oba Brutri had the anti majority of the people. Attitude, no, very good. And because of that, so we are against our better Ghana for baby in trouble problem with the system here in Abrutri. Many Ghanaians in Tiabrocho many problem with the system. With taxes in India, and for year ten problem. And yen, I walk any other day. What I say because opportunity be a benyano, ye persia abusuno. And Tianoni and Nia, the Tigana, and Tinigana, and Timmy develop and baby a bedroom. But it's answer politicians, almost per power, and in Yamantino, on Becca, Nabi be the show by no monk, can't be there by no monk. Eti ye ne ya ye ewo no ane ye nhwe ne ensesa se yesesa ya attitude na se ye gina wo se ye be ye committed na ye be ye patriotic like yeti abrotre ha wo sori anopa wo kobro ni adwuma mu na wo se bibi da ho na wo fa kora na usro so obefa but Ghana ni okwa adwuma na adwuma ni aban adwuma opese ogu abrotre ha aban adwuma ye lucrative onya bi po no aye enwuma wo abrotre dodo na ye private. About 90% of Numa Ghana for your pride. Government and Juma William, which mean any biara. Because who di agrobedu. Who di agrobedu. But Ghana ni manenko Ghana. Obekwa ko ye rough. Ewo ho. The same thing. Anko be na broche. Obekwa ko ye rough for Ghana. Na wa bokro no adwuma. The same person be ba round say ena nyai. Ghana ni onya opportunity a obabonte obekasa and the leaders wo de amani nya position bi o Ghana no hwe obebokro no e wa adwuma mu ho anu ti no mo me hwe sa ne ye ne nsesa nya sabi obi ti abroche na obi di intro about abroche no wo ka abroche ha e di enti na system ye adwuma because of the attitude of the enkrofo e wa abroche because of the attitude abroche you have to work hard. Before you get something, you will not just sit at home. So be myself as a master. For what do many agro? For what do many agro? Yana Grofoka and a Ghana salary. Now who told you say salary a demand and a swing? One catch all. Ubels are ubetia. Salary a demand bro. One catch us a swing and came Ghana. Ghana ni ben or tia brocha unyana hua and our pension crop as what tina. Ghana for bebre or pension pet or peso bagana no betina Ghana. On peso betina brutri. Ghana ni a pension pe bisa ho say adentia Ghana ni pension na opeso betina Ghana opeso ba betina Ghana opeso otena bisa ho say in spite of bibi adentina ya na Ghana ni pension na say Ghana ni bi heti business wa brutra opeso betina Ghana no ye business no ya bisa ho say na Ghana ni bi heti pa on peso betina brutri na wa relocate so betina Ghana abeye adwuma. Ask yourself why. What I say, life no ntse say ubedru ya na bibia anya. Life is not easy. You struggle hard before you get it. You will not just fold your arms to say, oh yeah, will life bibia keke na wenya. Enti no be try na dream about a year. Sister ya say more kind odi hwan atem. When you be atem, na dream no kire. Asem so kind no is the truth. When you go there are people who are struggling to make ends meet. Asem more kind we intro. Asem more kind be bia no assistant odi intro. Say yes, tax system ne niema o kan yi oni intro. Eniti motiwana obi o ha otiwo na wo su be didi na. Ko su didi e. Atem didi na de ne be. ube didi matema enyishi mfiri ma you o tira nyame ya doma me sorry am ko medwuma I make sure say me won kwa me wa hoden a what I say the measure as a responsible family man amema fie ayeyi no that is what I will do. That is what I will do. Say I'm struggling in life. And what you now say all the time, would you blame game? Check your character, your attitude. You share your character and your attitude, no. What I say, you share your character and your attitude, no. And only you share. Ghana for your near subai. You share no. See yes, son near Dranamo because sir and a war aquantum one. Aquantumwa, uko babia, the character and the attitude. Aha, so when you would danka within 3 months, or mortgage crowd and a coon, sedan what to crowd and a coon. You pay you near Maguabonting. Just ask everybody. Or light bill, say light bill not 1 month, 2 months. Your child light in Mukaka, and as you tell Mukra you. You better sign the car up, bro. And as one person by your reconnection, you will start all over again and sign a contract. What I say, they don't joke. They don't joke. Utoka, nasa car insurance, as soon as you renew, utuna police cho. Uti anye ye cry, you can lose your license, your driving license. Your driving license, you will lose it. They don't joke. But Ghana ni ko Ghana, ofra broche, and now te Ghana, or pebibia, say connection, and or pebibia. It who is corrupt, also you're corrupt in be, because you corrupt the person. Your mama perception I say bibia so to a bribe. Sani ya dete Ghana bibia na so to sani yama perception I. And untino it start from you. Nebe yi abroche no. Enya sebe omunye superwoman no. But the commitment and the patriotism e wo even abrofunim entino untimi meye yi. Dodo na which said their country will progress. But Ghana. It's one person who you can travel. But we shouldn't come and lie. Say, Abroche Udru ya neska Google Street unaosa. It's hard work that pays. It's hard work that pays. And you say, what ha? Na eduma biano onse eduma mu. Se pay ya se pay ni ye ba Abroche fufura sebe ebi eduma wo ye kra pay nye ba wa ba fufura uni nkrata. Enti wa ye ku na utim. Ba nyame adom na onya bia na wo sisam na wo kọ sa na brabo ne ye no ba mini aga na ni obi o ha ye ba ha omo na akọ school awie university for ye nyuma na ye bojo ano no omu nya adwuma nya ye no omu nyina na ye nyuma sabe salary ankoje no nka wo hwe university awakọ a enye na eso salary no but one omo nkasa o they do it for the better thing. That is how omo ye omo brabo Ghana ni de opesika boom. So Benyani boom, yatamska boom ni di amano. This mentality ni attitude, mumi ensisa. Broni, obetimi atena single room, regardless of how it be a 2 bedrooms apartment. One ne yire ene ne ma. Ebi ane ma mienu bi ana bibi. No tim. Kakra. Nyame ye na dom. Na se bia ni situation sisa ansisa na dwuma a wo ye ne no an wo ya. Otimi tena ho be 30 years no wote wo. Obetra apartment ba Ghana ni bia no aye na dwen se menya sika chese wanya sika no se okokukuru mansion bi esi ho enu nti no okohye dwuma bi mu a de ba ne tirim aye kro no ene ba ne tirim abrotre anyina Ghana ni oba ha na broni bi ma ne chance Ghana fo be bre squander chances broni bi ma ne chance se wonya na opeso abuse na opekoti kwan bi oni broni ni kra na ye adwuma na opeso owia no bebre yesa wia brofo omo ye business let me steal them sa suban ni ye no eno kan wo ne develop let's think about it ni enya nsem hu na ya ne kekanka no ukoka am mpese ebeka what I say I don't care about how your own your friends government or power asem I will speak the truth what I say men care about say own government or power asem obi abrochira obi tia oni ba bi te o ye homeless otimi ba be gina ba bi no a kira me na say mumia nka no kware anything na me pe no metima ye wa ha I can live a life on social media uhumi abeka say ebi amedapem so na meboa what I say baby am ye adwuma me opportunities say cars say dem metima ko gina ho me twa ma ye say me ya big me enso na me boa emu ba akokra anya me dia what I say and am tia na emu ba akonya me dia sa ba bia area bia ya fe power ha a sikafo ne to I can go there makoye yini niam but no etino obi kana sema obeka wuti ba bi na wo se wunyi ntuma fine ube say social media na wo so opa be di matama careless. I will speak the truth always. Menya those people who will come and sit here and abroche sabi no bi wo ha ebi a no oye bibi kra o Ghana enkrofo be braba abroche a enne omanu omo ho because of no kware ebi anka nkyere o muti because of no kware obi ba ye no aka kyere o no agye usika ode wo ba bedru enkrofo bebre obi timi bedru train station kra nipa no mpese wo baba ne fie efise odi intro kyere o odi intro kyere on kan kware nkyere enti no mese mo amochocho nkwase asem wa ha say go home no sabi Ghana nya mo na te o eye nipa I decided and I travel abroad me na me decided na me tu kwan ba ha enti no na me free Ghana no man fraud obia o I can go to Ghana anytime I want. I did not fraud anybody in Ghana. Me so Ghana nya enipa ete wo no they are like me. I'm not 100% better than the people who are living in Ghana. I can go to Ghana. Eti wa jimi na wuni nyansa na wo tro nkwase asem no. Ghana nipa ti wa sebi. Ye hu se Ghana nkrofo good street so omu nidi. Eti I can go and live in Ghana. Emmoa. What I say wa wo tro sa wo ya boa. Emmoa. Ghana nipa ti wo medusuanfo they are in Ghana. And most of them in spite of the problem, omo ye hard workers, they are not lazy. They don't depend on anyone. So they are living a good life. Omo tifipam etwi car papa ewo Ghana ho car papa me kra ha me ntibim. What I say tifipapam pipapam omo hard work omo sweat. Enya politician bia they work hard in Ghana there. What I say obi ani wa said omo capital so omo fanya dwuma. Omo sweat. Go to Ghana, you will see some of the people regardless of the problem in Ghana and the hardship, they are making it in Ghana. Jimmy for Obana Mutrom Wasemwa. What I say? Etino, Obi who ye lazy, who blame Obi. Abrabo boy. So we are lazy, that be you blame people for your own predicament. I'm telling you. Omo ye lazy no always blame people for them. Me life. I will never depend on any baby I'm a dream. I'm going to try. Now me Ghana. Ghana I'm trying. I worked in Ghana before I travel. And you'll be on a dim to Kwayon. I decided to travel. And I can decide to go back. I decided to try. I can decide today to go back. Sabi mi yobi ache. Ewo Ghana. Man yobi ache. Mambo bi akrono. Eti me pa metimi akọ. Why not? Me more krono. Me nya ache. Ada Ghana nipa nto. Ghana mentesi asori anopa ya tese street so. Ghana fo nyina begu street so asabi omunya duane ni. Ana Ghana fo the street so omunya atade enche. In fact, when you go to Ghana, they wear some there, and I am going Casa Papa, Bentley Niniamay, you who's an in street so, Oko Ghana, I'm on 44x4 mu, and in your ma. Etino, Senipatiwa, I don't know me to mint now. Yawumi or Ghana, Mini or Ghana, and Sana me to coin. I don't know me to mint now. Come on. And Sana me to coin, I don't know me to mint now. Sometimes you call Ghana cry na uncrophobic cry now very. I just say, and let me tell you, abroche Ghana so Ghana. Sa comparison na ye no. Emwa. And I no emfa develop. Me say your attitude yen change. Your attitude. Adwene wey etrim no, ye nya opportunity bia ya abuse no no. Siasa I'm telling you, politicians ne e bad sesen a ombesa. But once a sound attitude, a bad then on minor developer. You did the same attitude, no, as Sandia Babruchi. So I just said the same attitude no and I send you about Bruce Hanum and editor. What I say, and you know, and me say Obia didn't try me abroach me I don't care about Sabi Mu insult. Oh yeah me say social media. I can insult you some. But also we are Bema na hear me program nebia. So Oti Holland there na ofi baby na obeba. Say you are coming to attack me here. Then I tell you, say Emraya Jumaha. Na social media tem didie there say any problem. Say obe so video so obe di matem. I don't even know you. I don't even know you. And no cry any problem. I don't even know you. Anuti sanse muhuna mo kekano. Masa obia passport to show obi botomo. Who are person to kwan. You can travel. You say travel and see. Mo how ne say. O person to kwan sabi airports no is open. You can travel to abroad and hustle. Obia nkanwe. Obatima to kwan na so ababi. No and trust obia ntimi nkan adwen. Yet ya be kan adwen. Wo person to kwan no o passport so mean see wo kwan. I'm not telling you not to travel, but you can't tell me what is the truth about Abrochire no. Menka ho asem. What mean can't tell me sir? Mark Zuckerberg, social media no be you know. He gave opportunity to people to open their page and their way. And therefore say be me. Opa me. The American no men force so say fa. So I just say men force so say fa. You can also travel to abroad. Now also what be who experiencing what is going on here. I care less about the Obeka. And social media, I don't even know you. So why should I even worry myself? It will not stop me from talking about it. I will always talk about it. So when we say that you, I will always talk about it. In your what time did you do atema? Say social media, you don't even know me. If it's a wood demon, who me one-on-one, can you insult me? No. Who's a man one-on-one, you can't. And I know no support you free me. Majuma me, I'm sorry, I'm a comeduma. I know who are open. Me say o passport and send me bottom. Ube to me afa, kwa embassy. Also to kwa be. And not by force. Travel, now be who be for yourself. Sa oba na sika Google Street mo exesa. Sa uso ba be sika ni bi. Ana. Oba na sika Google Street mo, you come and see for yourself. Sa oba na say oda sorry. Say the ebi no ka say your mascara. You come and see things for yourself in Abrochire. Say the tie. Well, you know, I don't for me don't be see how